G'day trendsetters, just a quick little video today on soil pH test. And the reason why I want to do this is that I've planted this little blueberry here 2, maybe 3 years ago, and it really has never done anything. I've added copious amounts of compost, hoo-flung dung, sheep manure, liquid fertilizer. I've tried everything and it just won't come to the party, so to speak. But the only thing, and for some reason I've just been resolutely stubborn about this, is that I refuse to believe that it will be the pH. So, and basically that's the only thing I've got left now, is to find out what the pH of this soil is, because blueberries require a pH somewhere between 4 and 5.5, which is quite low on the pH scale. Neutral being about 7. Most veggies will grow between 6.5 and 7. Peas and cabbages and a few others like it just on the other side of 7 if you can. So I need to find out what the pH is, and this is a quick way to do it. And of course what you're first going to need is a soil pH test kit, which you can get from any of the hardware stores, Bunnings and places like that, or specialised nurseries. Your favourite nursery around the corner should have some sort of a pH test kit. Everybody makes one. This is Searles, which is a local company just down the road a bit. And there's really not that much to it. It's basically as simple as following the directions on the back of the packet. And your packet will include, wait right there, I've forgotten something. And your packet will include this little sheet of Perspex. That's what you put your soil sample on. Little spoon there, we'll get to that in a minute. And pH colour chart. So 3 yellow being extremely acid, and 9 being highly alkaline, and there's 7, 6.5 to 7. Right, and these two. This one is, well, it says here what a pH indicated liquid, but it's you'll wet your soil sample with this, make it a bit moist, and that'll draw out the colour, which you will use this to match. And there's also the white powder, which you put over the top, and that will help you see the colour or the pH a lot better. So just a little quick sample. You want to dig down below all the organic matter until you're into the soil proper, so to speak. And here comes the teaspoon. You only want about a teaspoon of soil. Break up any lumps that are in there. That might be a bit much, just right. Now we get our liquid. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Oh, at 8 or 9 drops there. Apart from that, hang on, we'll go over and scoop that up. Can you see that all right? Now this will change colour according to the pH of the soil. And you can't really see much there, it's all fairly dark. So what we need now is an indicator powder. And just sprinkle that on over the top. Just enough until you can start to see the colour of the pH of the soil, and we'll get our colour chart and try and match those colours up. I'll put my glasses on. I think I'm about 7, which isn't going to be a very happy time for blueberries. Yep, I'm going to call it 7, Anyhow, somewhere between 6.5 and 7. So I need the highest the blueberry needs to thrive is 5.5, so I need to drop it at least 1. And that's where we come into the second part of this equation. And that is to acidify the soil for this blueberry. And to do that, most books I find recommend a product called flowers of sulphur, and if you can get flowers of sulphur, that's fine, but I can't find it around here. All I can find is this liquid sulphur from Yates, and they don't actually say on the packet how much you use will bring the pH down, how much. It just says here, for a loamy soil, mix 50 to 80 mils in 2 litres of water every 4 weeks until required soil pH is acquired. So I'll do that, I'll put this application on and I'll come back in 4 weeks and see how far the pH has been lowered. If I need to do another application, then so be it. And hopefully this little bloke will give me some blueberries. And I feel really bad that I've let him go this long without the proper TLC and stubbornly refusing to check the pH, but it's the only thing I've got left to try, and obviously at a pH of 6.5 to 7 is too high. So I'll do that and probably come back in a month, check it, and we'll see what we need to do from there. So if you've got a blueberry and you're not sure of your soil pH and you've tried everything else, then I recommend grabbing a soil pH test kit, doing a little test, finding out what the pH is. Where's the colour chart? That's just looking a bit darker again now. No, I'm still happy with 7. Thanks for watching. I hope to catch you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. It all goes to helping me make more videos like this. And cheers for now. We have had a forecast of around 15 to 20 mils of rain overnight and tomorrow. So if I put this on now, that will just gently and nicely get that into the soil and in the root zone and hopefully do its thing.